All right, so here in my studio, I've started my panels. I love gestural mark. This is handmade gesso with gestural mark, which I'm about to show you. This demo isn't about making handmade gesso, but Montcon Studio, Alchemy of Mixed Media, you can find that video there, or take one of my workshops. And here we go. Here's some panels. And this is my gesso. I usually start with complete just gestural feeling. I mean mark making. This has been something I've been doing for years. Everybody has a different way of mark making. I just sort of want to enter a space of childlike wonder. These often become just underpaintings, so that's okay. I might take a spray bottle. Water fixates pastel, that's what that was, these little thingies here. And the reason I love handmade gesso is it's a bit like plaster. It sets a little like plaster, so you have time to build it up. It's really yummy. So it's more of a tactile surface handling. Over the years, I've been doing handmade gesso, 25 years now, maybe a little longer. So it's just a way to get marks going, I can go really thick. I can let it drip. Stop the drip. And then when it starts to set, like right now, I'm gonna move on to the next one and then come back to this. It's got some air bubbles, and I will often take sandpaper later and do layers. So I'm building my surface up and not just gessoing a panel, which is completely valid. But for me, I want the full experience of getting some energy into the painting itself. Let's do this. And then when I get them all up, I'm going to do the second one right here for you. I've got a basket of pastels, and I don't really think about it. I just go intuitively. Some of these are oil pastels. If I happen to get this is a pastel. It's very chalky. Let's see if I can get myself an oil pastel in here, which is a little bit different. People say, well, you can't mix the acrylic with the oil, but if you're just working with a little bit of it, I'm going to show you what the gesso does. It will work as a resist a little bit. Nope. See? That didn't really. I'm just non-thinking. How can I get into my childlike intuitive wonder? And just knowing this is an underpainting gives you the freedom to, let's just say it's like a warm-up. If you're a athlete, this would be warm-up practices. And it might say something and it might not say anything at all. This right here is a graphite pencil. So this might be setting up a little more. Let's see. Hello. I love these homemade videos. Notice how it picks up these little doodahs right there. After it dries, I might take some sandpaper and take that off. So. And I'll just keep working like this. And what will happen is I'll get all these done. And then I'll treat it like a whole. And maybe they might be separated, or maybe they will be all together. We don't know yet. Thanks for watching.